ARM reportedly developing gaming GPU to compete with NVIDIA and Intel. From friends to foe, ARM is rumored to be developing a gaming graphics card competing with NVIDIA. More questions than answers. The rumor suggests that ARM is planning to hire more engineers to focus on chip development. This hiring push is linked to ARM's plan to develop a GPU that would compete with the largest companies in the world, report by Globes. ARM has not previously pursued high-end graphics, nor has it been mentioned that such plans were under consideration. However, with the launch of Qualcomm's Snapdragon X series for PCs running Windows, it is inevitable that graphics processing unit would become a crucial factor in the choosing systems. It is worth noting that these rumors appear 2 years after NVIDIA decided to abandon its plan to acquire ARM. Perhaps this acquisition would eventually lead to the same outcome if the deal did not collapse, but NVIDIA is still in the game thanks to MediaTek. And if you remember guys, I shared this in the old video. UK chip giant ARM is developing a graphics processing unit in Israel that will compete with NVIDIA and Intel. Sources familiar with the matter have told Globes ARM is established to employing about 100 chips and software development engineer in its global graphics processing group and its development center in Ra'anana. At this stage, ARM is reportedly engaged in graphics processor for the video game market, and at the same name was the case with the NVIDIA. The technology could also be used for AI processing if and when ARM decided to fully enter the field via Globes. It is unclear when would such a GPU appear. Often such development takes years, and it is unclear if the process has already started or we are only learning about it when it at its final testing stage. The timing for this launch may be crucial as AMD has launched its 6-point based Ryzen AI 300 series and Intel is expected to release its Core Ultra 200V Lunar Lake series next month. The reports focused on the Intel and NVIDIA, possibly because NVIDIA is still planning an entry into the PC CPU market through its collaboration with MediaTek. It is believed that their processor will use ARM architecture as well, and according to the Globes, the new GPU designed by ARM would be used for both gaming and AI workloads. While it is well known that discrete GPUs are significantly faster than built-in NPUs in mobile packages, Globes does not explicitly state that this rumor ARM GPU would be a discrete chip or even a desktop GPU. ARM architecture for PC is just starting to gain traction with Qualcomm entry, MediaTek and NVIDIA's plan, and AMD's established presence. All these companies are likely to go head to head with Intel and AMD, who are currently sticking to the x86 architecture. However, as demonstrated by newcomers to the GPU market, it is not just the hardware that matters. Software and optimizations are equally important.